Tell me, when do we have to submit the list for retentions?
By November, I guess.
So you have all of September, October, November.
So you haven't decided anything as yet. And as far as captaincy is concerned,
Let the policies be out. We haven't even thought about the team going forward. Whether retentions will be 3, 4, 5, 6, we have no clue. Let us see. There's enough time. So, bit by bit, and whatever decision we take today will impact us for the medium-term future. So they have to be very well thought out, very well considered. And there's enough time for it, so it's too early.
Around the impact sub rule, but I'll put it on record that I am for it. I think impact sub rule has definitely given opportunities to a lot of the uncapped Indian talent, and that is something which you will see in this mega auction also, when teams will be looking at them. So that opportunity goes a long way with improving Indian cricket on the whole. You know, the time spent in match time is something you can't beat. So that has been the biggest plus of the impact sub. As far as all-rounders are concerned, you know, right now I had mentioned that there is no space for a half all-rounder because of the impact sub. But if you are a genuine all-rounder, then no one can stop you. There is always going to be that value add with regard to someone having that kind of ability with the bat and ball. नहीं, देखिए, टीम के लिए जो भी ये टीम स्पोर्ट है, तो टीम के लिए जो भी ज़रूरी होगा वो सारी चीज़ें मैं करूँगा। मतलब ये तो बिल्कुल जाहिर सी बात है। और जब लखनऊ की तरफ आप देख रहे हो, तो लखनऊ, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा अभी, कि इनका सफ़र अभी 3 साल का रहा है। लेकिन जब आप टीम की तरफ देखते हो, जिस तरीके से आप पूरे टीमों की तरफ देखते हो, जो IPL का हिस्सा रह चुके थे, लगभग भी 17-18 साल हो चुके हैं IPL को स्टार्ट हुए, तो 3 साल में 2 बार अगर आप प्लेऑफ के लिए पहुंच रहे हो, तो आपकी टीम ने काफ़ी अच्छा किया है। तो वही बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स की मैं बात कर रहा था। हाँ, अब इसको यहाँ से आगे कैसे ले जाना है, और उसके लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी होगी, उसके लिए ज़रूर हम सोचेंगे। और डिसीजन मेकिंग में समझता हूँ एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा है उसका, क्योंकि आप IPL जैसे टूर्नामेंट में देखते हो कि कितने स्मॉल मार्जिन हैं, जीत और हार का फासला बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम है। तो वो क्या चीज़ डिफ्रेंशिएट करती है एक अच्छी टीम को दूसरी टीम से, तो वो मैं समझता हूँ डिसीजन मेकिंग ही है। और किस तरीके से आप टीम का माहौल बना रहे हैं, किस तरीके से आप के प्लेयर्स गेम को देख रहे हैं, क्या वो पूरी तरीके से अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, क्या टीम उन्हें बैक कर रही है कि नहीं, वो सारी चीज़ें हम एज अ प्रोसेस देखेंगे और उस प्रोसेस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मजबूत करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
You coach or mentor in this system, and we're still not aware of what sort of retention thoughts are. So is it fair to say that LSG is doing a reset after the start of the next season, or do you think there's continuity, or do you think it's a balance between the two? Your thoughts, please.
You always try and improve, and that is a constant endeavor. When you have a mega auction, there is bound to be a reset, but you try and retain as much of the core as you can. Let's see how it goes. It's very early to say anything. Until the auctions are done, one doesn't know which way what goes. But certainly, I mean, the coach continues, Lance Klusener continues, Johnny Rhodes continues. We are delighted for Moni Mokkal and Gautam Kabir, and very pleased that they've joined the national team. But I think it's a question of improving and going further from where you are. That is the attempt, that will be the attempt.
Yes, it happened exactly in the same words how Mr. Goenka just explained. We got on the call and we figured that we have a very similar stance on many things when it comes to cricket, and where LSG should go in future, what kind of cricketing culture, what kind of cricketing values the team should have, the kind of the brand of cricket which the team should look to play, and the building blocks of that are pretty much in place. Lucknow Super Giants is relatively a very young franchise in IPL, but it has not been looked upon like that. You know, there've been a lot of progress. The building blocks are in place. The consistency you can see with reaching playoffs is something which is so tough in this fiercely competition. So that is something which gives me a lot of confidence when I'm looking at coming and contributing to this franchise's success. Yes, the process is something which is going to be required, and that's going to be my responsibility, and I'll make sure that the process which is required for each and every individual to express themselves freely, to bring a lot of victories to the franchise, and the decision making, which is so crucial. I think even those are the aspects which we'll be closely looking at and looking to build that culture, that mindset at LSG for LSG to go to the next level. So hopefully, the season is going to be the special one, and is going to be beginning of something very, very special for this franchise.
You know, I've been meeting KL on and off regularly over the last 3 years. Frankly, I'm a little surprised that this meeting is getting so much of attention. As I said earlier, we haven't taken any call of the team till the BCCI comes out with the rules. And all I can say is that KL has been an important and integral part of the Super Giants family. He's been there since inception. He's played a very important role. And for me personally and for Shashwat, he is like family and will be family.
It's the day when we sort of get into a new relationship with a new mentor, that's Zahir. Zahir is somebody who's impressed me over several years as a player, as a coach, and as a strategist. His ability to keep winning, keep having this strong hunger for success is something that attracted me towards getting him as part of the LSG franchise. And a couple of weeks ago, I realized that he was not with any cricketing franchise. So I called him up. We spoke, we agreed, and he's here. So it's as short and as quick as it gets.
We're very excited to have him on board. And we do believe he will do wonders for the future of LSG. So welcome. And I'll ask Zahir to say a few words.